For today's art class, we're going to need a piece of watercolor paper, some paintbrushes, and a pencil and an eraser. We're going to either need some watercolor inks or a set of watercolors, and as usual, a container of clean water. We're also going to need maybe some acrylic white paint and black paint, or you can just use these Posca pens in the same colours. I've even got some silver and some gold. So today is all about gathering what you have, because we're going to create a piece of art that involves some watercolours and just placing some patterns over the top. We've done it previously with the rock grids, but today we're going to do some balancing rocks in colour. So lots of bright colours today. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is draw our rocks. Now we're going to start with a larger rock and then just get smaller and smaller. So remember, this doesn't have to be realistic. It doesn't have to be actual realistically balancing. It's just a creation we're making today. So I'd like the rocks to start from about there and finish about there, or there enough. Close to that. So I'm just going to create some lovely round organic rock shapes. And that's a bit wonky. And each time that I go up, I'm making my rocks smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, that's pretty much it. So the next thing that I'm going to do is erase or lighten the lines just by rubbing them out, rubbing much of them out. Now, I've done a previous art class, something very similar, but this one today is actually going to be what I planned on doing the last one I made, because I did plan on making some repetition pattern type things, work over the top. So this one actually is going to be it. Now I'm just going to use some of these new colours that I got. These are going to be nice and bright. So the first one I'm using is the bright purple. Hopefully you can see that. Now remember, if you don't have these watercolour inks, you just can use watercolour paints, because that's pretty much what these are. They're not too special, not really. They're special to me because they're new, but in reality they're just watercolour paints. So I want to do the same as I did with the last rock. I just want to create a bit of variation in each one of these. So I like that there's a little bit of white there. I'm not pre-wetting these ones either. I'm just painting straight on. So I might just go through each one of my colours until I run out. Now, when you use these inks, you can, it's much easier to use it with a dryish paintbrush and do it on dry. So I'm not going to show you me painting each one of these. I might actually speed that up. So I'll finish this one, press pause. I probably should have left a gap in between that, left a space before I do the next one, so it allows some time to dry. So I'm going to press stop and I'll fast forward. Okay, so the next part of this activity is just to create some pattern work on each one of these. So this one I'm just going to do triangles. Upside down, inside out. Now I'm not going to show you me creating every single pattern on these, and I'm also going to change up the patterns and the colors. So I'm going to do some white ones, I'm going to do some black pattern work. I might even choose, I've got some new markers that I might even use. So you don't have to use exactly the same equipment as me, but the idea is there. So what I'm going to do is press stop and then come back once I've done it. Okay, and here it is finished. All I did, as you can see, is use some white and some black pens. You can use crayons over the top. I've had a few accidents here where I've smudged some of the paint, but I'm sure that you get the general idea. So thank you for watching and taking the time out of your day to get creative. I appreciate you doing that. If you enjoyed what you have seen or would like to see more, don't forget to click like and subscribe to Free Art Class by Bit of a Hippie. And that way you won't miss out on any new videos that I pop up. Also, I have a Facebook page called Free Art Class, and you are most welcome to join that, and you can post up there any questions. You can recommend some things that you would like to see. You can also put up any artworks that you have created from what I have created, any of my videos. So if you've made one of these, you are most welcome to pop it up there. It is a closed group, so you need to request to join, but I would gladly welcome you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.